Welcome back to Only Social. In today's video, we will continue setting up your e-commerce store by diving into the e-commerce builder. This is where you can customize the appearance of your store to match your brand and style preferences. So, let's get started. First, click on the e-commerce builder. Here, you can customize various aspects of your store, such as fonts, colors, buttons, product arrangements, logos, favicons, and more. The e-commerce builder is divided into several settings categories: miscellaneous, main style, mobile settings, header settings, front-end product view, footer settings, category settings, and product single settings. Starting with the miscellaneous settings. Under miscellaneous, you have store settings. These are generally self-explanatory, such as showing an alert after adding an item to the cart, showing mini pop-up after add to cart, and so on. You also have button settings. For instance, you can choose the type of cart button, whether it's add to cart or buy now. Set text on add to cart button. Set store pickup text. The WhatsApp order button can be shown or hidden, and you just need to add your phone number with the country code. If you are using OneSignal for push notifications, SMS, and email, enable and copy the API from your OneSignal account and paste it here. For SEO, enter your keywords separated by commas, followed by a description of your store. Finally, under miscellaneous, there is a language setting where you can enable multiple languages for your store. Next, let's move to main style settings. Here, you can adjust fonts and colors. For fonts, you can change the font family, the color of the top header of the store, font color header top hover, font color header middle, and so on. For miscellaneous under the main style settings, you can upload favicon for your store. In style, you can change the header's top background color, middle background color, font color, and so on. You can also customize the add to cart button's background color, add to car background hover color, and so on. You can change add to cart home button colors. If you have enabled guest login, you can further customize it here, choosing between text or button, font color, and more. If you have specific customizations beyond the default settings, you can use custom CSS here. Remember to save your changes once you're satisfied with the main style settings. Let's move on to mobile settings. We have a sticky footer menu here. You can switch to mobile view to see changes in real time. Toggle between show or hide to either show or hide sticky footer menu on mobile. The buttons on the sticky footer menu can be either icon only or icon plus text. You can show or hide the home button on the sticky footer menu, show or hide cart button, and so on. The settings are pretty straightforward. Now, onto header settings. Here, you can upload your store logos and icons with multiple variations. Under logo settings, you can choose to hide or show the store name in the header. Choose how your store logo should display based on recommends default settings. You can also change the logo's color in the header to either light or dark, depending on your choice. Logo height, logo width, and store name font size. You can try different numbers in pixels. Your store name color can also be customized, and so on. You can customize the menu header style, background color, font color, hover color, and more. In header settings, set the welcome message, hide or show the search option, and show or hide the breadcrumb option in the store. Menu styles can be classic, swiper, or both, and the welcome message can be animated for mobile only or all devices. For the swiper menu style, you can customize it with category images or without category images. Adjust space between elements. Set the number of slides per view, and so on. Next is the front-end product view. These settings dictate how your store's front end will look. You can set the page width, either with full width or boxed. Show or hide customer reviews. Add slide-up animations for added products. Set slide-up background color. You can set the mobile view to show products in 1 or 2 columns. You can show or hide featured product section. You can set number of products per row. Customize the displayed text for featured product section. Show or hide reviews. Set number of product that should be showed. The featured section settings are similar to other sections, like new product section, deals section, and best seller section. Customize them as you wish. The order section settings let you adjust the order of all sections based on how you want your front-end store to display. For the best user interface, you can leave it as default order. Now the footer settings. You can change the background color based on your brand, adjust footer text color, link color, hover color. You can also decide whether to display the copyright text in the footer. Onto category settings, where you can set the number of columns for product views, show or hide reviews within the product category, set the number of individual products to list per page, and choose the product display style boxed or list, 2 columns, and so forth. Lastly, the product single settings. Here you can choose to display the product gallery horizontally or vertically. You can enable or disable sticky bottom add to cart button, and so on. Related products can be set to autoplay. You can enable or disable sticky bottom add to cart button, and you can set the maximum number of related products to display, and so on. All the settings are well self-explanatory. Once you've made your customizations and added your products to the store, experiment with different settings to see how they work on your store. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will show you how to set up different categories in your store. This marks end of this video. Thanks for watching,